You never tell me what you are thinking. Why don't you guys ever talk about your feelings?
I don't know. I guess I am afraid I will look weak. I don't like feeling insecure. That vulnerability scares me.
But don't you think that they should express loudly, like we girls do?
Please, males have unique qualities. I have no intentions in being this position.
Maybe you do have a point. But what if you like to urge yourself to tell something that no longer be contained? As if wanting to cry.
Well, we converse like gentlemen. We discuss most oftenly about personal issues, but we don't share out compared to females.
What's that supposed to mean? Compared to females we are both the same even with different gender orientation.
Maybe you do have a point. Males should converse something about themselves, but it still makes me out of place. Well, thanks for the advice.